Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by doing the fastest, highest impact checks. First, make sure the Shopee app is updated. Outdated builds often trigger M02. Once updated, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa to rule out network routing. Unstable networks cause token errors. Next, clear the app cache and force stop the app, then reopen and log back in. This refreshes stored tokens and sessions. These steps address most transient M02 causes and get you ready for deeper fixes. Once done with the basics, focus on session integrity and account settings. Revoke other active sessions from account settings and sign in on a single device. Duplicate sessions can produce M02. Verify your account is fully authenticated, confirmed phone or email, and ensure payment methods and addresses are valid because incomplete profiles can interrupt API flows. If issues persist, uninstall and reinstall the app, grant necessary permissions, and attempt a purchase. Reinstall cleans corrupted files that otherwise return M02. To finish, gather precise evidence before escalating. Note exact time, reproduce the error, screenshot the M02 message, and record device model and app version. Then use Shopee's in-app support to report a problem. Include the logs and step-by-step reproduction so engineers can trace token or API failures. While waiting, try the temporary workaround of completing the transaction in a browser or another trusted device. If nothing helps, the key troubleshooting tip is to provide logs. Support needs them to resolve server or account token issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.